Today, we're stepping into the future with Grok, the AI created by Elon Musk's XAI. It's turning heads and shaking up the tech world. Imagine having an AI that can search the entire web in real time and provide answers like never seen before. No more endless scrolling for links. Grok delivers instant answers. Well, it's not just chatter. Grok is ready to take on Google. If you've ever asked Google a question, you know it often just lists links. But with Grok, it's different. Grok aims to provide complete answers, making your search experience feel more conversational and intuitive. For instance, if you want to know how to cancel your Amazon Prime, Grok walks you through the steps, while Google just gives you a list of links. It's like having your personal assistant right there with you. What's mind-blowing is Grok's evolution. With each update, it's gaining capabilities. Recently, Grok introduced image generation features that allow users to create visuals on demand. Just picture this. You ask Grok to create an image, and it instantly suggests variations. It's like having a digital artist at your fingertips. This is truly leveraging AI for creativity, making it fun and engaging. Real-time searches are where Grok shines brightest. It can pull in content from platforms like X and beyond, giving you the latest insights. So, if you're looking to stay ahead of the game or just want the freshest news, Grok becomes your go-to source. Imagine getting live updates about tech events or stock prices. It's no wonder people are excited about this tech revolution. Now, let's talk about the brains behind this operation. Grok is backed by some heavy hitters in the tech world. Researchers and developers are constantly working to improve its algorithms. You might have heard of Dr. Hugh Pham, who teased about Grok proving Riemann's hypothesis. How's that for an ambitious goal? This level of innovation points towards a future where AI might tackle some of humanity's toughest challenges. User interaction is crucial to any technology's success. Grok's design focuses on making your experience seamless. With new features like image recognition capabilities, you can send images to Grok, and it will analyze them. Picture uploading your own stuff, whether it's a photo of your pet or a vacation snap, and asking Grok to create a fun design or suggestion. It's a personal touch that enhances how we connect with AI. So, what's new in Grok's latest updates? Aside from image generation, Grok can now display images in search results. No more boring text-only responses. This makes searches more engaging and informative. Plus, sharing conversations is a breeze. Instead of copying one response, you can share complete discussions. This is especially handy for those wanting to revisit crucial information. Simple yet game-changing. In a bold move, Elon Musk has encouraged users to upload their medical scans for Grok to analyze. It's a crazy idea, mixing healthcare with social media. While some users have reported success in identifying certain conditions, there are notable concerns about accuracy. It shows promise, but remember, accuracy in medical tech is vital. It's a bit of a Wild West situation right now, so always consult professionals. As we embrace AI like Grok, we must also examine its ethics. What about privacy? Users may unknowingly share sensitive information, opening doors to significant risks. Experts emphasize the importance of using secure data sources to safeguard privacy. It's essential to balance innovation with responsibility, ensuring that as we advance, we do so safely and ethically. Speaking of responsibility, I want to create a community around AI and technology where we can share our thoughts, ideas, and concerns. Your input means a lot. If there's something you're curious about or want me to dive deeper into, drop your suggestions in the comments below. Together, we can navigate this constantly evolving landscape and understand the role AI plays in our lives. As I work hard to improve the quality of my videos, I aim to provide content that truly matters to you. Each like, comment, and request helps shape what I share next. You are a vital part of this journey, and I'm grateful for your support. Let's keep the conversation going, and together we can explore the future of AI and its implications more comprehensively. Staying creative at your workspace is crucial as we discuss all things tech. Use AI tools to boost your productivity. It's incredible how technology can enhance even the simplest tasks at your desk. Imagine creating a calming workspace that keeps your inspiration flowing. It's a small step that goes a long way, and Grok might be the partner you didn't know you needed in this process. Let's not forget how Grok can assist in brainstorming your next big idea. With its analytical capabilities, it can refine your thoughts and help structure plans. No more feeling stuck. This aspect of Grok enhances creativity, enabling users to tackle challenges together with AI by their side, making it feel like a collaborative effort rather than a one-sided response. Imagine discussing your latest thoughts with friends over coffee, using Grok to clarify or explore new topics. It can spark conversations and deepen connections as you dive into interesting discussions. AI isn't just about crunching numbers. It's about enhancing how we connect with each other and share experiences with the world around us. The beauty of Grok lies in its design. Its user-friendly interface makes interacting with AI a pleasure. Even those who aren't tech-savvy can jump right in and start asking questions. Just swipe and tap. Everyone should feel empowered to use technology, and Grok is doing just that. It's breaking barriers and making AI accessible to all. AI will change the world, and Grok is at the forefront of this shift. We're seeing how it's altering industries, from healthcare to education, and even our daily lives. The potential is staggering. Embracing this transformation means we're on the brink of something extraordinary, making now the perfect time to get involved and learn more. Every day, we utilize technology seamlessly in various aspects of our lives. Grok represents just one piece of this digital jigsaw puzzle, aiming to make our interactions more efficient and meaningful. Look around you. Technology has become an integral part of who we are. Let's embrace it together and see where it can lead us. Looking ahead, what's next for Grok and AI? The journey is just beginning. We can expect more advancements, new features, and integrations that will make AI an even bigger part of our lives. The potential for growth is immense, and as we navigate this landscape, staying informed and engaged is vital. Join me as we explore each development together. Your feedback matters greatly to me. I want to ensure I'm delivering the content you find valuable and exciting. So please, share your thoughts or suggestions in the comments. This channel isn't just about me. It's about building a community where we can support and learn from each other. Your voice is important. Technology thrives on diversity and different perspectives. Let's celebrate that together. By hearing from varied voices in the tech community, we gain richer insights and creativity that power innovation. In the realm of AI, embracing diversity can lead to breakthroughs that could change everything. We must continue to encourage diverse participation in the tech space. Exploring the various AI tools out there can be exciting. From productivity tools to creative applications, the options are endless. Grok may be getting all the buzz, but there are tons of tools that can make our lives easier and add value in diverse ways. It's worth experimenting with multiple platforms and discovering which ones resonate with you. In the rush of technology, let's not forget about balance. While Grok and other AIs offer incredible capabilities, it's essential to disconnect and appreciate the world around us every once in a while. Whether it's going for a walk in nature or spending quality time with loved ones, this balance keeps us grounded and helps us recharge. What does the future hold for technologies like Grok? We're heading toward a world where AI deeply integrates into our cities, homes, and lives. Imagine waking up to a smart home that anticipates your needs, or AI-driven cities that optimize everything for efficiency. The future is bright, and we're lucky to be part of this incredible technological renaissance. Even with AI on the rise, let's not lose sight of the community around us. Board games, movie nights, or just hanging out with friends are just as important. Technology can enhance these experiences too. AI could help create memorable moments, from selecting the perfect game to planning your next adventure with friends. Let's weave tech into the fabric of our social lives. Every tech project brings its own set of challenges, but when things come together, celebrating small victories is essential. Whether it's developing a new feature or improving user feedback, recognize the efforts that got you there. Every step is part of the journey, and each milestone achieved contributes to a larger vision. Let's find inspiration from the world around us. Technology is all about harnessing creativity and imagination. Look for sparks of inspiration in nature, in art, or even in the people you meet every day. Let the beauty of the world ignite your passion for tech and innovation, reminding you that we're all part of something bigger. As we keep an eye on advancements in AI, anticipation builds for what's next. Every update, every new feature has the potential to reshape the landscape of technology as we know it. Stay tuned for more exciting news, and let's explore these developments together when they drop. It's a thrilling time for tech enthusiasts everywhere.